Don't know what to say in McDonald's. Watch this video. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. Let me go to McDonald's. Let me go to McDonald's. It looks busy today. It looks busy today. I feel a little nervous. I feel a little nervous. What should I say? What should I say? It's okay. I can do this. It's okay. I can do this. Let me stand in line. Let me stand in line. I will check the menu while I wait. I will check the menu while I wait. There are so many options. There are so many options. I'll keep it simple. I will keep it simple. I think I will order a chicken burger combo. I think I will order a chicken burger combo. I need to choose a drink. I need to choose a drink. I'll go with a Coke. I will go with a Coke. Okay, it's my turn now. Okay, it's my turn now. Let me speak clearly. Let me speak clearly. I want a chicken burger combo. I want a chicken burger combo. Medium fries and a Coke. Medium fries and a Coke. I hope they understood me. I hope they understood me. They are asking for payment. They are asking for payment. I'll pay with my card. I will pay with my card. That was easy. That was easy. Now I need to wait. Now I need to wait. They are calling order numbers. They are calling order numbers. That's my number. That's my number. I got my food. I did it. I got my food. I did it. Thank you very much.